humans. I know you're obsessed with slime, but today we're gonna actually look at the chemistry behind all that fun stuff. Okay, so glue is made of polymers. So what's that mean again?
It means when bunches of the same units are bonded together.
Correct. So that's why it's a fluid, because they can slide past each other easily. Okay, so to get started, you're going to need warm water and borax. So 3 tablespoons of warm water and 1 teaspoon of borax. So let's go ahead. And you can pour this into a bowl or a Dixie cup like we're using. You can use anything just to mix it together, and you're going to stir it till it's dissolved. Go.
Thank you. Alrighty, so you just have to dry off your spoon so that when you're mixing the glue, it doesn't already activate it. Alrighty, so then you gotta add the glue. I'd say just taking off the top, it's easier that way. And then just pouring it in there. Ooh, that made a weird sound.
That made a really weird sound. Okay, I think that's good enough.
Alrighty. And then I am going to make, you can add food coloring if you want it to be colored, and I'm just going to make a teal color with these two.
I'm going to add red and yellow so I can make a peachish color, which is one of my favorite colors.
So the more food coloring drops you add, the more darker it'll be. If you want it to be light, just add the less amount of food coloring.
That looks so cool.
Oh yeah, that's really cool. Okay, look at mine.
That's beautiful.
Whoa.
Okay, so I think that's good enough. I want it to be light. So this is mine.
And then mine actually turned out very beautiful. Like, look at that. That is awesome. So now we're going to add the activator, which is also called a cross-linking agent.
You just have to add it little by little.
Alright.
Then it should start like coming together a little bit.
It'll start getting like stringy-ish looking.
Yeah, that's what you want.
And then that's how you know it's almost there.
Look at mine. It's a clump.
So what's the cross-linking agent doing to our glue?
It's making all the glue polymers stick together and not be able to move freely anymore.
Interesting.
Chemistry at play. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go into my hands now. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird.
I think mine's about ready too.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Mine has glue all over my hands now.
Oh, this is so gross.
So, how'd it go, H-Team? Guess what? Sometimes experiments don't work in science, and that is okay. We just redo it. But regardless, I would love if you would share your results to any of our HTH platforms, and then I'm going to give you some feedback. Can't wait to see what you did. Bye!
Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!